Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the safety catch lever and fully open the bonnet. Numerous systems fitted to the vehicle require battery power to be available at all times, either to ensure their continued operation, such as the clock, or to maintain control unit memories which will be erased when the battery is disconnected. Although not essential, it is possible to preserve these settings by connecting an external power source, known as a memory saver, to the vehicle's diagnostic socket. Open the battery jacket. Slacken the retaining nut, then with a twisting motion, pull the negative lead clamp upwards from the battery terminal. Position the clamp to one side to prevent accidental reconnection. Open the flap and disconnect the positive lead clamp from the battery terminal in the same manner. Slide the jacket up from the battery. Unscrew the bolt and remove the battery hold-down clamp. Lift the battery from place. Take care as the battery is heavy. Wipe clean the battery tray, then lower the battery into position. Ensure the battery positive terminal is at the rear. Refit the hold-down clamp and tighten the bolt securely. Slide the jacket down around the battery. Press the positive lead clamp firmly down over the battery positive terminal and tighten the nut securely. Press the negative lead clamp firmly down over the battery terminal and again tighten the nut securely. To prevent corrosion, smear a little petroleum jelly over the battery terminals. Close the jacket over the battery. Disconnect the memory saver. Close the bonnet firmly and check it's secure. Positive lead clamp from the battery terminal in the same manner. Slide the jacket up from the battery. Unscrew the bolt and remove the battery hold-down clamp.